All your life?
My whole life.
Your whole life? Oh, you waited 4 years. What's like 4 minutes?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. What are we doing, baseline?
Yeah.
Oh,
The 2017 with 909 miles.
nice. I like the color combo.
Do you?
I do. Was it still warm from the baseline pulls?
Yeah.
That's all. I'm just pulling stuff off up top. Then I'm going to drain the coolant. Coolant's probably 1,000 degrees.
So what's this one again? Procharger?
Procharger cam.
Okay.
You know, you do one of these cams for the first time on one of these things, and it's like, wow, this is a pain in the ass. But now you do them, and it's like, they're not that bad once you know where everything is, you know.
Sure.
And it helps that I just finished up that one, so I already have all my tools out.
There you go.
Won't be needing this anymore. Put it right here next to the other one. I looked outside, giant flame ball in the air, big explosion.
It was a plane?
That's what it sounded like.
Oh yeah. Oh, I saw the smoke, but I didn't.
Holy fuck. Yeah, you didn't hear that?
I heard it.
Did you?
Holy fuck, the plane.
Yeah, it was like,
I heard it.
and then I looked over, it's all boom.
Dude, he just said it. He's like, what was that? And I was like, it sounded like a fucking 4-stroke four-wheeler.
Dude, it was, yeah, because I looked out, I'm like, what the fuck is that driving out back? Like you said, a four-wheeler, or like almost like a Jake brake on a tractor.
That's what I thought. It sounded like a diesel truck. Literally just was like.
And then all of a sudden, I look over and I see boom, and I see a giant fucking flame ball, dude.
It was on flames on the way down, or
no? Like I guess when it hit the ground,
dude,
whatever.
Fucking, like
that's,
right in the post office, isn't it? Or to hit a building.
I don't know, dude, but the guy, whoever was flying it, is dead. There's no doubt.
Yeah, that looks like it's in the post office. Yeah.
The flame, dude. I'm not even kidding you. Was as high as the smoke is.
Wow.
I heard it, but I didn't.
Yeah, so did I. I looked at him.
I almost want to do it too.
I don't have my seat. That's not good.
Yeah, that is.
That
not
thing
good.
sounded That thing's
You wanna ride over?
It sounded like a fucking 4-stroke 4-wheeler was like fucking ripping by.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn.
Wow, that's a shame. Yeah,
Oh. And this airport's pretty.
Yeah, we're pretty. We heard a huge loud bang noise, kind of like a huge diesel truck or something was like, or a Jake brake on a truck, and then all of a sudden just huge smoke. Wow. Are we riding over? I guess. Go ahead. I'm gonna get on the window side.
I didn't see the actual plane, but I heard it. And then right when I looked up after I heard that noise is when I saw the flame ball.
Wow.
Yeah, here comes the fucking police and shit. I'm gonna beat him.
He's gonna block the road.
I'm not gonna block them because they're fucking flying.
Yeah, the dude's doing fucking.
It's in the
It's on fire. Yeah.
Oh man.
Big time on fire.
Man.
They got 2 guys already there.
Well, they were the ones that just passed us.
No, those are 2 other ones. Those guys are Newcastle.
Holy crap. Wow.
Dude, they brought
You're gonna be able
everybody.
to see it right here, pretty good.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Oh, thank God it was right. Oh, look at all the fucking rubble and shit. Dude, yeah, there's shit everywhere.
We gotta check your security camera in the back, see if you can maybe see it.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad idea.
There's shit everywhere.
Wow.
That's fucking crazy. Man, I think it's on fire.
That is not good.
No, we should.
Oh, here they all
Holy
come.
cow.
Wow. They brought everybody.
Yeah, this is serious shit. Man.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh,
it's a
yeah.
fucking plane crash.
Yep.
and- Holy fuck.
How many cops they gonna use?
Oh,
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, what else are they doing today, you know?
Wow. That's nuts. Yeah, we gotta check the security thing on the back.
Yeah, I will.
I guarantee you might be able to see something.
I would think so. That noise was fucking loud, so I wonder how low he was when he came over the back field. Or if because he was definitely coming from the airport.
Yeah, it's like he took off and that was it.
Like I said, me and Steve heard it.
Yeah.
And I was like, what the fuck
it's
was
loud as
that?
shit.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a
that's when I
diesel
heard it,
truck.
and I
No,
looked
it
up.
sounded like, you remember
It's like,
my fucking 4-stroke 4-wheeler and it had the pipe on it, like how it was like, bah, like real deep and fucking loud. And I was like, it sounded like a fucking 4-stroke 4-wheeler. Someone was ripping through the field. Seriously, dude. What the fuck is that?
This guy's just sitting here because he loved or something.
So Fran said you all have 20 minutes less of your lunch breaks.
Oh, still 30 minutes for these motherfuckers.
Oh, you got 30 minutes less your lunch.
Take 10 minutes out, I got lunch.
I was on lunch.
I'm just fucking.
I'm not going anywhere on lunch. I mean, I guess you could now.
Yeah, you're definitely not going
Dude,
anywhere.
all that chaos now. It's so.
Why don't you have your drone here?
I don't. I
Because
had
it's an airport.
I just took
Yeah.
mine out of the truck.
They would be like, he made the plane crash.
Seriously,
No kidding.
I would get backlash so bad. What's that?
There is that.
What did it end up making? Since you decided to do another polar.
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever had to stop tuning a car because the helicopter crashed.
That is a first.
They made 590, 511 on the second pull.
That was nice air fuel the whole time.
Always nice. Cause I make it nice.
I saw it on the screen. I was like, that's pretty good for the whole time. So they're coming to interview Eric?
Yeah.
And it was Brad's video.
Yeah.
He said they're gonna credit me for it now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they told him that. Well, Eric didn't see that one anywhere. His dad was watching TV and saw him post it and said,
Eric did.
Yeah, I sent him a picture because it posted up on the news thing, and I sent it to him.
It sucks that we can't, like, why wouldn't they make a 102 thing? Like,
I was wondering.
Yeah, and I don't know about this either.
What?
Pulley size we're gonna need.
Oh, I have no idea either. We'll just have to put it on and figure it out.
Well, these are different style blower pulleys.
Yeah, I know.
So we have one in the back, but it was off a stock.
That's
that
a rear
stock
pulley, isn't it?
1LE we did.
Yeah.
So
What size is that, do you know?
3.6 or something.
Probably same size.
bigger
I assume
than
it's
that.
standard size.
Probably, yeah.
That's got to be like a 2.8 or a 3.
Remember, I remember when I ordered the one for the 1LE, I was like, do a pulley size smaller than stock because he's like, well, we can't do that. We can send you the pulley, but we can't change it on the ball.
It says 0.75.
Really? So
3.75? Yeah.
75. It's 75 millimeters.
yeah, they do it in millimeters now.
So you can't.
So I guess we'll have to figure out what.
They couldn't put the pulley on before they sent it to us.
No, they never will send.
Yeah.
They won't ever send. They have like usually on the regular ones they have a little tag.
Yeah, I know,
It's
but
like,
usually if you have them
this
change
pulley's-
it, then they'll put it on and still mark it.
And it's not warranty. They don't.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yep.
Cool, so let me just put a big overdriven crank pulley on it, but that way the fucking blower is still warranted.
Right.
I guess we could change
2.953. 75 millimeters.
It's pretty, so 3 inch.
3-inch pulley. We should probably see what that does before you.
Oh yeah,
And how much room is there to go? You're only going to be able to get a 1/4 inch smaller
I
pulley.
was saying we could
probably.
change the
crank.
hub.
Yeah.
What's on that?
9.1.
9.1.
See what it does with a 9.1
Yeah.
and a 3-inch. That should be pretty good for a 2.3.
You should know everything on it. It's your old car.
I don't know anything on it.
No.
Yeah.
I already forgot everything about it.
Oh, dude, me and Brad built this thing, mainly Brad, in about 24 hours.
Yeah.
And that's like
In
almost
a
not
row.
even a joke either.
In a row.
Yeah.
Then you, it was probably the day
We got
before
done
cruise week, too.
We got done 7 a.m. on the Thursday of cruise week.
I believe it.
Brad left at like 6, and I stayed and I dynoed it and shit like that.
So Eric was you this year.
Yeah,
Yes.
Eric was Brad this year. Brad graduated. I still don't understand why the fucking shit didn't work on my car.
Maximizer.
really good when you do that Holly.
I know. Ricky sent me that today, huh?
Is he?
Yeah.
Got busted his key off.
Whose? No. No, they take them off.
my head's racing, man. I'm thinking about my interview later.
I don't think they're coming.
Neither do I.
I don't think they're coming.
You'd shit a brick if they came pulling up right now, though.
I don't think they're coming. Dude, they should already have all their stuff for 5, 6
Dude, they're
o'clock
gonna get me
news.
live on 6.
They're not doing live. If anything, they would have shot it already and had it at the studio, like had the card at the studio already.
Yeah, that's why they put my footage on mine and not yours.
Dude, you know what? I haven't even looked for mine. I guarantee you mine's footage is somewhere.
It's actually technically not my footage.
Yeah, it's Brad's
I
anyways.
stole it.
You're a thief.
I thought he was coming through here to tell me that the news people were here.
News people are here. He's still nervous about his close-up. I don't think they're coming.
They're gonna call me at 7 or 11 o'clock.
Yeah, uh-huh.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come to work tomorrow. I'm pretty traumatized from what I saw.
Yeah. I'm sure you'll get some sort of tummy ache tonight.
I got tummy ache, I can't come in. That helicopter crashing really screwed me up.
Better excuse than going to a fucking import event.
It wasn't an import, it was a Euro event.
Same thing.
No, different class of cruise. Euro event.
Now we're cooking on gas. We got that baby up high now.
You know what I think we heard is the propellers hitting the ground.
Oh, definitely. We heard, I think what we heard was it coming over top of the building.
No, it doesn't fly that fast though. Like I literally just heard it go, and that's it.
Yeah, Buzz, the Snap-on guy came over and said, and Fran said too, when he went to Wawa, that everything over there was covered in dirt.
Oh, no. Bless you.
Yeah, everything was just like car windshields and shit, just covered in dirt.
I'm surprised no one else was like
Hurt?
It didn't. Yeah, no one else was hurt or it didn't
Dude, what if
hit
it
a
lands
car
on
or
our
a building.
Like,
Yeah.
We're sitting here working and bam, it just lands in the building.
Matt, I'm upstairs. Would have hit me first. It's not cool, man.
I mean, if you're gonna see that in the bumper,
Just grab my gun.
I don't know.
I don't know if you will. What's that go to?
It is what it is.
That goes to the headlight up here?
Yeah. This is their little catch can from the factory.
Where? Oh, yeah. I guess that's alright.
It drains back into the fucking oil tank, I think.
Yeah, it goes back down to the pan.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. I mean, I guess they have to do it that way because someone's not going to drain the car, drain it, you know?
Right. I guess they figure if you're changing your oil, you're cleaning out the condensation.
Yeah.
They'll just recollect the condensation
Correct.
and then just...
So how was Ocean City?
It was awesome. We're out till like 4 or 5 a.m. every single night.
It's pretty awesome.
It was great. It was very great. Lots of racing. Lots of racing. I'm trying to fucking find a place to go on vacation because my girl keeps like fucking bugging me. Dude, shit is expensive as fuck.
Pump gas, no mouth.
Pump gas, no math. Headers and procharger.
That's it as far as I know.
Needs a can.
Everything does.
Huh?
Everything does.
Yes, that's very true. For someone that just announced they're going on a vacation, you seem very grumpy.
Yeah, because I just had to pay for it.
Is that why you're grumpy?
Yeah.